Musical note: welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to access story mode in TikTok's video calling feature. Musical note: hello TikTok enthusiasts. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to unlock the fun story mode on TikTok. Camera with flash. Step 1, open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your iOS or Android device. Tap the large plus sign at the bottom middle of the screen. Step 2, select story. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see options like post, stories, and templates. Select story. The shutter button will turn blue, indicating you are now in story mode. Step 3, record your content. Record your engaging content. You have up to 15 seconds to create your story. Add filters, stickers, and effects to highlight your story. Share your moments with friends and followers in real time. Musical note: and there you have it. You are now a story mode expert on TikTok. Musical note: don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Have fun playing TikTok. Raising hands.